In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating for you our match lit paver kit. The only thing you're going to need for this is a lighter. First things first, you're going to turn the key valve to the left just a little bit. Go ahead and light your lighter, open your key valve just a little bit to the left, and light one burner. Go ahead and increase the valve opening and wait for all of the rest. This key will adjust your flame height, so if you want to increase the flames, you're going to go ahead and turn all the way to the left. To decrease your flames, go ahead and turn to the right. And when you're ready to turn the fire pit off, keep turning all the way to the right. And the next one I'm going to show you today is going to be the fire glow. Next up, we have the fire glow. We've changed the paver panel to our fire glow, and we've also changed the burner to our standard burner. That way we can demonstrate how high our standard burner flames go. For this ignition system, we're going to hold down the key valve and press the spark ignition one time. After it sparks, make sure we hold down the key valve for a full 5 seconds. Perfect. Now we're going to let go of the key valve, press in slightly, and move it over to the left to increase the flames. Wait for the entire burner to light and you are all set. To increase the flames to max capacity, you're going to turn the knob all the way to the left. And when you're ready to turn the system off, push in and turn it all the way to the right. All right, moving on. Next up, we have the spark glow. All right, so we went ahead and switched out this paver panel with the spark glow. The key difference with this one is you're going to have a key with a key valve, but it still has the spark ignition system. You're going to go ahead and turn the key valve to the left while pushing the spark ignition at the same time. Go ahead and wait for the burner to ignite. And once it's fully ignited, you can go ahead and increase the flames by twisting the key all the way to the left. And when you're ready to turn it off, twist it all the way to the right. Thanks for joining me in my demonstration of the spark glow, the match lit, and the fire glow paver panels. So first up we had the match lit, which is a manual key valve. You do also have to light that manually. While all 3 systems are LC certified, the spark glow is going to be a manual lit with a spark ignition system, whereas the fire glow is an advanced version of the both of these, which means you don't have to worry about losing your key ever. All right, and before we go, for the fire glow and the spark glow, I'll teach you how to change the battery. It's going to be a AAA battery. You'll just unscrew the cap in the front here, replace it with a new battery, make sure the positive side is facing forward, and go ahead and screw that back on. That's it, that's all it takes to go ahead and change that battery. We also have the standard burner and the bullet burner that was demonstrated for you today. Everything you see here has been manufactured in-house right here in Ontario, California at the Outdoor Plus. If you ever have any questions about any of our products, go ahead and give us a call. Someone will help you out. Thanks, take care, and we'll see you next. Hey guys, before I let you go today, I just want to review what comes in our paver kits. Now, depending on whether you want a natural gas or propane kit, you will receive a flex line. All of our kits include a Z-bracket as well as a vent. You get your choice between a standard burner or a bullet burner, and our burners come in 3 different shapes, including round, square, and rectangular. For our round and square burners, you can choose between 18 inches all the way up to 39 inches, and for our rectangular burner, you can choose between 12 and 24, all the way up to 24 by 36. You also have a choice between any of our CSA or LC certified ignition systems. You can create the perfect fire pit for your needs. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to us online or give us a call. Otherwise, take a look at one of these product highlights to my right. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Bye.